IPC 2021. I repeat, you can use our scholarship code 3G IPC 2021. So please don't worry. I know everyone will be panicked that you got thrown out of the Zoom. We are very sorry for that. Okay, we will be getting back to you and we will be resuming from the session. So yeah, we are expecting all the participants to join back. We will be waiting. We can wait for at least 5 minutes so that everyone is joining back. So meanwhile, I'll be taking a few of your questions. Can I leave? I have 2 patients appointment. Sure, sir. Thank you so much. Yeah, we will be wrapping up the session soon. We have, we will be continuing with the speaker. That is our last speaker, who is also the advisor of 3G. And we will be sending the certificates. We will be sharing the certificates in our dashboard. So, Joel, can we start the session?
I would like to tell about the certificates. So, if you have logged on to www.3gschoolofpsychology.org, we'll be sharing the website link over here. So, if you guys can, log in with your registered email ID. So, when you're registered for the conference, you will be knowing which email ID you're registered. So, with that registered email ID, you can log in over there. And if you guys forgot the password, click on forgot password. You will get the OTP link in your email, and then you can log into your dashboard. In there, you'll be getting your certificates after the conference. Like tomorrow you'll be getting the participation certificates. And regarding the World Book of Record certificate, if you have bought the certificate, you'll be getting an InstaMojo receipt. And based on the receipt, after it will take something like 20 to 25 days to get the World Book of Record certificate. So yes, so that's all regarding the certificates. And for the volunteers, those who have got at least 25 registrations will be getting the volunteer certificate. And so totally, if a person has done the volunteering work, the participation, and also who's got the World Book of Record certificate, totally you'll be getting 3 certificates. So as a volunteer, if you have got like more than 75 registrations, like most of our volunteers from 3G School of Psychology has worked real hard and got more than 200 registrations and all. So we've got 75 registrations. We'll be getting a volunteer kit that will be designed from our 3G School of Psychology, who's been taken up by Reshika and Soham, who has been putting a lot of efforts in building this amazing volunteer kit. And so if you've got more than 250 registrations, we'll be giving you our own letter of recommendation from 3G IRPS signed by Irfana and Sai Chole.
Okay, so we also would like to announce about the giveaway. We are giving Amazon voucher 1,000 rupees, then 50 ebooks as well as Canva premium account. So all you have to do is go and tag 5 of your friends in our official page, Instagram page, that is 3G School of Psychology. So I will be giving 2 minutes now, 2 minutes for everyone to go and tag. So this is the last time you can go and tag 5 of your friends. So go and tag 5 of your friends right now, and you will be getting a chance to win all these gifts. That is Canva premium account, 1,000 rupees Amazon voucher, as well as 50 free ebooks. I'll be giving 2 minutes, and once you are done tagging 5 members, you can just come and comment on the chat box that you have done tagging. Okay, you have to go to our Instagram page, that is 3G School of Psychology. That is our official Instagram page. Yes, done tagging. Okay, Apeksha. Yeah. Superb. You can also tag all of our leaders. I request my technical team to post the leaders connect so that we all can get connected. Okay, Tanya. Okay. Thank you so much. Done tagging. Sanjana. Wow, superb. So I hope you all are ready for continuing with the session, and I invite our speaker, Dr. Maharaja, to continue with the session. Warm welcome, sir. And we are very sorry for the technical glitch which happened. So our speaker will be joining in. Are you all ready? Yes, we will be sharing the feedback forms as well. How to tag? Okay, you can go to our official Instagram page, 3G School of Psychology, and you can tag 5 of your friends. So our speaker is joining in. Yes, sir.
Yes, I'm. Yeah. Okay.
Thank you so much, sir. Over to you.
Thank you. So let me just quickly continue from where we stopped, and exactly that's how we have to even look at it. So continuing on with the discussion in terms of the group learning and the experience, and how are you setting up the systems and process for learning as a group and applying and growing together. That's something that's very, very important. Now, if you look at it in terms of career options, what are the different career options? I have discussed it over here in my presentation also, and some of the speakers have done it in depth in terms of what psychology has to offer in terms of career options moving on to the future. So we do have the traditional roles in terms of being a psychologist, being a counselor, being a psychometrician, being a researcher, working in social work, being a teacher, being a trainer, and being a coach. And there are also new emerging domains and areas of application. So how can you look at it in terms of the fields of AI, applying psychology in the fields of AI, applying psychology in the current scenario, applying it in terms of psychology, in terms of mission psychology, where you can be an analyst and all those different areas. So it's an interesting area where if you have the right type of mastery, right type of expertise, and also have developed yourself as a complete person, as a T-shaped expert, like how I have explained, then there are a lot of emerging domains and areas of applications where you have some really exciting career options, and the future is really, really, really brilliant. So with this being said, what is your path forward? How are you choosing from this moment? Whether it be in terms of transforming yourself into becoming a better person, whether it is in terms of transforming yourself to gain the abilities to do better things in your life, whether it is about transforming yourself in terms of having better results, it may be in terms of resolving challenge problems, it may be in terms of overcoming your challenges, it may be about setting goals and achieving them, it may be about living your dream reality and doing whatever it is necessary in an ethical, moral, responsible way to be able to do it so that you can live a great life and also support other people and impact other people for the highest level of existence, highest level of your existence. Because yes, there is we, and when it says we, it's like every single person in that we also matters. It's like when you have a car and there are 4 tires of the car, then each and every single tire needs to be really functional. Only then the car will be moving really forward. So yes, in the society, to a greater extent, and the reflections, the betterment of how the individuals get to live also gets reflected in terms of the growth of the society. So how are you growing as an individual, and directly and indirectly contributing through the concepts like butterfly effect, ripple effect, and all those things to be able to grow the society? Many times it takes one person, one real committed leader who is ready to tap into their genius, their creativity, their brilliance, and be ready to take the necessary actions to dream big, to create an empowering vision, to be able to be inclusive of including other people, and to form partnerships, to form relationships, to be able to grow together in a great journey, and then from there impact the society in a positive, desirable manner. So what is your path forward? And I like to conclude with saying this: every dream deserves a chance. And what exactly is your dream? And how are you giving your dream a chance to become your reality? Okay, with this, I like to thank this opportunity, thank the MCs, thank the technical team for being really supportive on for being able to really handle it. The way the whole conference has been happening, a great sense of pride and recommendation and congratulations and gratitude for all the speakers who have been able to present phenomenally really well and share their perspectives, their inputs, their knowledge with all the participants through this conference. And last but not the least, the most important of all the attendees and all the participants of the conference for whom it is about making it happen. This whole conference, like has the meaning based upon what and how we are able to serve all of you. And if it is going to impact, if each one of you are able to like take it forward in terms of whatever you have been able to learn, whatever different perspectives you have been able to gain, and really apply it and take it to the next level, then that's going to be like really phenomenal of growing in your life and also contributing in other people's life in a phenomenal way. With that being said, I like to conclude with one last question which you can answer in the chat box. And yes, my website is there. If anybody wants to connect with me, you can feel free to connect with me through my website, through my email, through my social media, and all those things. I'm very much reachable, so please do give me the time to be able to get back to you and respond to you. And I'll be happy to connect with all of you, so all of you can connect with me. That's one thing. And the second thing is one quick feedback that I like to have from all of you in the chat box, and that is, what is your one key takeaway? What is your one key takeaway? One or many key takeaways? What is your one key learning or many learning that you have got from this particular session? Share it with the chat. When you share it, It's not only sharing for yourself, you also in a way recall it and revise it. And together, when each one of you shares different key takeaways, together for everybody, it becomes a learning experience to be able to grow to the next level. With that, as my closing comment, wishing you all great success and wishing all great luck and favor and inspiration and motivation, knowledge and application and resourcefulness to achieve your goals and make your dreams your reality. Over to the MC team.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir. Thanks a lot for this wonderful, informative talk, sir. It's a really an eye-opening session on psychology, and it's really motivating us, sir. As a token of love and appreciation, we would like to give a e-certificate from our team, sir. Kindly accept it. I request my technical team to play the same on the screen. Yes, here is a e-certificate for you, sir. We'll send you through the mail.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So our Dr. Maharaj is also our Mission 3G advisor. So would you like to take 1 or 2 questions, sir?
If we have the time, I don't mind.
Sure. So participants, if you have any questions, you can definitely post in the chat box. We have such an eminent personality here, and he will be very happy to share the questions. Okay, the clear picture and understanding of psychology and AI's real role in our life and how to deal with. Okay, Sona is appreciating.
That's the takeaway they got.
Yes. How to feel okay about being yourself? That is the first question, sir.
Okay, fine, perfect. So that's a wonderful question, like how to feel okay about being yourself. In terms of like, that's where the self-acceptance, the self-awareness, and the self, all the concepts of self, which I shared, really comes into the play. So how are you being aware of yourself? Okay, that's where the beginning is. How do you become aware of different aspects of your own life? Okay, over there, then there will be some aspects where you will really appreciate yourself, or you need to really appreciate yourself. That's where the self-appreciation comes in. And there will be some places where you have done some mistakes, where you have certain weaknesses and all those things. That's where the self-forgiveness comes in. Okay, when you have the self-appreciation portion, the self-forgiveness portion, and of course the self-awareness being the foundation for both of it, and then the self-regulation, to be able to construct and create a better version of yourself. That is when you do that, that's when you can, really get better about yourself. Okay, where you can really get better about yourself and really start loving yourself. So start with, self-awareness, self-love, self-appreciation, and self-forgiveness. So that's a good place to start with.
Beautiful answer, sir. So we have another important question: how to get out of fear of insecurity and self-doubt?
Okay, that's a good question. How to get out of fear of insecurity. When you say fear of insecurity, what is it that you are really afraid of when it comes to any fear? Okay, let us look at 3 different aspects in terms of fear. One is in terms of false evidence appearing real. Okay, so if you look at it from that perspective, is it a false evidence? Is it something which is not true? However, you are rationalizing it to be true. Then, stop worrying about it and drop it, let it go and move on. So that is at one level. Another thing is forget everything and run. Sometimes, life is all about where you have different challenges, you have different worries, you have different, problems that will always be part and parcel of life. It's like, if you have a nose, there's going to be a probability that you're going to have a cold. Okay. If you are having a tire and if you are going through a road which is filled with thorns and nails and stones and rocks and all those things, then there's a chance that it's going to have a puncture. If you're having a body, then chances are that, you may end up becoming sick. Okay, now all those things, there are chances. At the same time, how do you ensure that you have a better road? How do you ensure that you have better immunity? How do you ensure, you have better health practices? Those things are also important. So like that, then how can you add on to the sense of security, to the sense of, feeling really protected? That is something that's really important. So work on those areas. The third thing is, in terms of first begin with acknowledge it. The third thing is the most important thing, and that is acknowledge it. Because fear of insecurity is real. When I say real, it's real for that person in their aspect of reality, in their map of reality, in their version of reality. Okay, and in their triangle. For some people, it may be drama triangle where they may be a victim. Okay, now when you are being a victim, Say that, yes, I'm being in a state of victim, and do it in a detached way as much as possible. And from there, from being a victim, how can I become self-empowered? Okay, create that goal and transfer through that journey. A lot of people, are in a state of neglect, or in a state of even discounting it, or not in a state of dismissal, in a state of negation, in a state of not accepting that yes, they do have certain fears. Now, whatever you don't give attention to, whatever it is that you try to repress, whatever that is that you are in a state of denial, okay, sometimes they can take you out of the game. Sometimes it can be an unconscious process which may really affect you. So if that is something that is there, then understand and acknowledge it. Okay, and there's nothing wrong in terms of saying that I do have a weakness, or I do have a challenge. The moment you reframe it in terms of saying that yes, I do have this challenge, and I am not this challenge, I'm somebody who is bigger, and I'm having the potential, the ability to learn myself out of it, to learn and apply things where I can come out of it, to reach out to the right professionals, to reach out to the right support system, to learn the certain things and take certain actions to come out of it. You can definitely, come out of it. That's how, you have to look at acknowledging, and then understanding what it is going to take to become empowered, and then continuing to become empowered. That's how you overcome any of the fears or any of the challenges, especially when it is related to sense of insecurity and sense of different things. That is one thing. Another perspective also we have to look at over here is sometimes it's the unconscious trying to tell you. Okay, when we look at it from a spiritual angle, when we look at it from a super conscious angle, from certain schools of philosophies and theologies, it's sometimes about a message being able to being pointed to you, saying that you have to pay attention to certain things. There are certain things which you are not paying attention to, so start paying attention to those areas and take it from there. Okay, so I
we
hope
pick
that
one more
answers
last
that.
question.
Okay,
So how to be consistent and how to remove negative thoughts? That is another question.
how to be consistent and how to remove negative thoughts. Okay, there are multiple answers for this. Let me give a parable and and a metaphor, and try to answer this question, and also some examples where you can find out your own this one. So how to be consistent? Create a calendar. Okay, make a commitment. Create an accountability partner. That is something that's very, very important. So first, start with committing it, and understand which area or which level you are starting from when it comes to consistency. Is it a place where you don't have an habit and you require some support and help to become consistent? Then be okay in getting that support and getting that help to do it. It's like, I don't know how to drive a car. Can I get a driver? Can I get a car driver? I don't know how to do something. Can I get the support of a professional? So be okay with it. That is one. Then the next step is start learning in terms of how you can do it by yourself, where self-empowerment is something that is very, very important. Developing the sense of independence is something very important. Like, can you learn to drive a car? You can learn to drive a car. Okay. So similarly, there are certain things which you can learn, and where you can be the self-helping person for yourself. Okay. In that case, then develop that thing. Okay. Develop that resourcefulness, develop that knowledge, and develop that ability. And from there, then make it a habit. Be consistent with it. Have an accountability partner where you can celebrate small successes, and wherever you are missing it out, then you also have a reminder system where it can support you, saying that you are supposed to do this, and now get back and do it. Okay, so sometimes making a list, making notes, having somebody to work with you as a accountability partner, all those things do help. Okay, so that's in terms of developing the consistency. You have to make it a part of yourself. It's like how people initially, small children, they have to be made, or they have to be supported to brush their teeth. And as we become adults, it becomes a learned behavior where you get up, then you go and brush your teeth. That's how it is. That's how simple it is. A lot of things when it comes to consistency. Now, what is the second aspect? It is in terms of removing negativity, I suppose, right?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. So when it comes to removing negativity, is something positive or negative, or is something in terms of appropriate or inappropriate? Is something right or wrong? Without going much deep into all those things, yes, there are certain places where negative is negative. There are some places where negative is just an inappropriate thing, and there are some places where negative is just another perspective, and there are some places where negative is just undesirable. So what exactly it is? Is it something that's really negative? Is it something inappropriate? Is it something just another perspective? Is it something as a checklist, or is it something that is just making you uncomfortable? What is negativity for you? In which of those sample spectrums or limited spectrums do they come in? Now, are there more spectrums in terms of understanding negativity? They are there. For that, how do you do it? Like, say, for example, you enter into a place where the air is seeming to be stale. Then what do? You add an air freshener. You look at a wall, okay, and that wall is looking plain and dull. Then what do? You put on a painting, okay, or you bring in some display items, or you paint the wall. And that way you add to the beauty of the wall. So what exactly is negativity at that level? Is it something where you have to add something? Is it something where you have to subtract something? Is it somewhere where you have to just change your perspective of how you look at it? So which of these three options or three choices, basic choices that you have to do? Are there more choices? The answer is yes. Are there more options? The answer is yes. Are there more perspectives of looking at negativity? The answer is yes. However, a good beginning point will be, okay, this negativity, is it something really negative? Is it undesirable? Is it inappropriate? Or is it just another perspective? Then how do I resolve it? Can I resolve it by adding something to it, by subtracting something to it, or by substituting it something, or by replacing it something? And then how do I do it? Do I do it by myself? Do I go to a professional for help, or do I ask the support from people? Then what exactly it is, and do it in an appropriate, healthy manner. That is also something very, very important. A lot of people, when they have negativity in their life, they end up, masking it or covering it up, or reaching out to food as like one of the ways to overcome it, where they say, okay, fine, I'm going to now eat a lot of food, and they end up getting fat or putting on too much of weight and all those things. So emotional eating is also, like sometimes where it goes in a negative spiral. So be aware of that also, that when you're having the negativity, it doesn't end up in terms of the negative spiral, and take as soon as possible the necessary corrective action to be able to get the benefit. Okay, so with that, I think we have answered almost all the questions that's possible, and keeping the idea of time, I think I'll handle it over to the MC team to take it forward. And if anybody else have any questions, like I shared, I'm available offline. You can connect to me through different social media and all those things. So over to the MC team.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for joining in and sharing your insight. Within a short span of time, you covered a lot of areas, and we can see everyone is asking questions. Of course, I know, like, within this limited time amount of time, from such a great personality, we can't take all the informations, but definitely you can contact Dr. Maharaja. We will be sharing social media handles here. You can definitely, so if you want, you can share that as well, sir. So, they can contact you. And thank you so much for joining with us and sharing your insights so beautifully, sir. Thank you. Okay, so moving ahead, okay, we had many questions about how to apply for the certificate, okay, how to get the certificate. All your queries will be answered, so please don't worry. And to explain more about that, I invite our beautiful CEO, young CEO, Irfana is at herself, to explain more about the certificates, everything. Okay, so like now everyone can post your questions. Okay, thank you so much, participants. We are so happy that you enjoy the session. And without delaying much, we will be explaining about the certificate. Welcome, ma'am. Warm welcome.
Thank you, Anjali. Hi, everyone. I'm back to answering all the questions and doubts you have regarding the certificates, volunteer e-certificate, World Book of Record, and regarding the master's program or our career coach program. I am here to answer it all. And yes, we have come towards the end of the session. Everyone, I'll be showing you how to get your e-certificate. I can see you're all like super thrilled to get that. And obviously after attending so much sessions, that's what you're looking forward. Now, let me know if you want to continue the relation with Triji, okay? If you want to be with Triji for a long time and get more opportunities, comment yes, Irfana. Now, if you don't know my spelling, it's Irfana. Comment, you have to say my name. Yeah, yes, Irfana, we want more opportunities. Yes. So we are one organization that gives so much opportunities to students, be it internships, program, or even paid internships or opportunity to work with us. We have it all. If you want to join with us and be there and build a better relation with 3G, comment yes, Irfana. Then only I'll give you the opportunity. Yes, I can see a lot of comments coming in. It was my idea to make you memorize my name. Hope that trick worked. Anyhow, what is going to happen is we are going to transform all our groups into 3G Psychology Club. Okay. Now, 3G had this idea before even this conference that we wanted to launch a club, which is the biggest psychology club that was ever created in India, because it's not there right now. So there is no such community where all of the psychology students or psychologists can join and just talk to each other, ask doubts, or basically just help each other out. So that is why we are going to make all of the groups. And why am I saying this is so that you don't leave the group, right? Sorry for being annoying and sending lots of messages in the group. You know, there's a way you can mute it and keep, but don't leave the group, because what if you miss an opportunity that could take you next level in life, and that came in the group? What is the point of leaving such a group? So I'm saying this, don't leave the group, you know, stay tuned, check out for all the things that we have to offer. We will be changing all the groups to 3G Psychology Club. I hope that made sense. And when you are in the group, I am the one who, or me, or someone from my team will be continuously sharing in different opportunities. And trust me, guys, I am the CEO of the organization. So if I am telling you directly that we need you, we do need you. You have to believe in what I am saying. And I am the one who would be giving all the opportunities. Now, with that being said, let's get into the certificates part, which you all want. I'll be showing you how to get it. I think we have repeated this a couple of times, but all of your e-certificates will be coming in from your dashboard. Okay, now, if you don't know what dashboard means, it's basically where you log into your account and it will be there. I'll just show you how to get it. So if you have doubts, you can ask in the Q&A, and Anjali will help me to identify and answer. Yeah.
Sure, ma'am.
I'll share my screen. I hope you're all staying tuned for this. And why I came myself to do this is so that I'll also be giving you a support number, but please don't annoy us with so much of your inquiries. Note it down now how to do it. So you don't have to, you know, we might take a while to reply considering the amount of people we have in the conference. So just look right now, then you don't have to keep coming behind us, okay? I'm gonna share my screen so you can see. Okay, so in order to get your e-certificate, first you have to go to our website. Now, if you don't remember, this was a place where you registered to come for the conference. Go here and click login. Now, maybe you joined this conference from somewhere and someone shared a Zoom link for you, someone shared the YouTube, and I don't know, somehow this got to you and you have not registered. If that is the case, go register right now. And if you're registering new, you can use the referral ID 001. So if you don't put a referral ID, you will not be able to enter. I'll just show you where the referral ID is. This is where the referral ID is. Put 001 in case you have not registered already. If you have registered already, click the login button. Now, when you click the login button, you would go to a login page. This is mine. You can give your credentials, and if you forgot your credentials, put lost password, change your password. Or if you don't remember how to get this, it would be in your mail. When you registered, you would get a mail with your credentials. Okay, so that is what you should do. Then once you log in, either you're a volunteer or a participant. I'll open up the volunteer. If you're a participant, you can open up the participant. This is how your dashboard should look like. Okay. Now, this is where your e-certificates are. Now, let me tell you, your e-certificate for the participation will be released on February 3rd. Note that date down, February 3rd, which is day after tomorrow. Not today, not tomorrow, day after tomorrow. Our website is going to have huge traffic with all of the people coming in. So we have kept a date ahead. February 3rd is when you will be receiving. Don't ask the admins, or don't ask me. You will not get it if you ask me also. And I'm not going to send it one-on-one to your mail, even if you give me your mail address. This is where you get it from. So if you go here, you have to click the e-certificate. Now we have 2 certificates. If you are a volunteer, you would get the volunteering e-certificate, but you need to have 25 minimum registrations. Okay. Now mine is 0 for now, but you have to get 25, then only you will get the volunteering e-certificate. The participant will only get the participation e-certificate. And if you want to apply with the World Book of Records, you can go and apply from here. Let me remind you, participation e-certificate is on the February 3rd, and volunteering e-certificate would be released on February 10th. Okay. Until 10th, you have to wait for the volunteering e-certificate. Now, you can fill in your profile details here if you want. I have put free ebooks for you. You can spin this thing, spin the wheel and get a free ebook. I have selected some of my favorite books. Also, you can connect with our leaders right? I meant connect, not annoy with your doubts. You can connect with them. These are the people that took a very significant role in this conference. And later on, I'd be updating all of the sessions from this conference over here, so that, you know, if you want to revisit, or if there was a presentation that really enlightened you, you can come and check it out. Now, with that being said, this is where you will find your e-certificates. Okay, World Book of Records certificate is going to take from 20 to 25 days, as the World Book of Records team has to verify our event, check all of the details, check if this much participations are there, then issue us the title of organizing India's largest psychology conference. So they take this much time, and once they're done, they'll be issuing the certificate. And yes, when that's done, we'll be giving it to you. There's no point of asking us again and again the same question. 20 to 25 business days it takes for them to issue the e-certificate, but from our side, we are doing it as soon as possible. Now, this is regarding the e-certificate, and I'll also show the couple of other opportunities which 3G is having. Before that, I'll give you the support number. You can take a screenshot of this number and keep, but let me remind you, there's no point in again repeating the same questions about World Book of Record or participation. The dates that I have said, only you will get it. Now, please do take a screenshot of this number and keep. I'm just keeping it here so you take a screenshot. Now, if you have some technical glitch or something which you are not able to solve, please text this number and you would get a reply. It might take a while for the reply, but you'll still get the reply. Now, another opportunity which we had from this conference was that we were giving for our master's program scholarship. Okay, this is going to end in the coming 2 days. You can use the code 3GIPC 2021 and get scholarship up to 40,000 rupees. Now, let me repeat about the program just a minute. This program offers 100% job guarantee, and I'm going to remind you that this is only for the first 3 batch. I'm pretty sure there is no program in the whole world which would give you a job guarantee. So if you're looking for masters, and if you like how 3G is and what we have to offer, more importantly, if you're futuristic and you think artificial intelligence and psychology is where the entire opportunity is, this is your chance to apply. And I'll also remind that it's a very strict application process. We would not just take you if you are the smartest in the room. We look at all of your other qualities like leadership, public speaking, then only we'll select you. But you can still apply and see if you'll be selected. 3G IPC 2021 is the code. This is for our MA Psychology program. Another opportunity with 3G is if you want to be a career coach, you can become a career coach with 3G. And the brochure is right in the website. I'll ensure to put these links in the WhatsApp chat too. If you want to be a career coach with 3G, this is the website. You can put the same code 3G IPC 2021. Actually, in your website, you will get the discount code. It's not working in mine, but in yours, it's going to work. Use the code 3G IPC 2021 and get a get a discount for the career coaching program as well. I'm just going to put the link of the master's program in the chat if you want to join with the code. Give me a moment. I have put it in the chat. If you use this code and apply in this, you would get scholarship up to 40,000 rupees. This is the same code that can be used for the career coach certification as well. Okay. With that being said, I'll just pick some questions and answer it.
Sure, ma'am. So we have one question. What is the fees for 3G Masters program?
The fees for 3G Masters program is 5.5 lakh, and everyone gets scholarship with it. If you're from UG, you have an opportunity to get scholarship up to 1 lakh. I think PhD has an opportunity to get scholarship up to 1.8 lakh. And if you're coming from both PG and UG also, you will get scholarship up to 1 lakh. So everyone in the program is going to get scholarship based on different criteria. So yes, that is the fees and the scholarship.
So for how much time it is valid? They're asking, like this master's program.
Is it the scholarship code?
Yeah, scholarship code.
Yeah, the scholarship code would be valid until February 5th, and after that we would be removing the scholarship code.
Okay. Advanced program. Okay. There. Okay. Advanced program scholarship code also we have to use the same ID, right? 3G
Yes.
IPC 2021. And okay, ma'am. So some people they have registered for under them few participants also registered as well as volunteers also registered. So how you will be counting that? So they are asking about that.
Both the participants and volunteers will be counted. It would be the total of that, and you have to get minimum of 25.
25. Okay, ma'am. So they are asking about World Book of Records certificate. Can they apply now? And until when they can apply? Is there a deadline for the same?
You can apply until February 10th for World Book of Records certificate.
Okay, so they can apply until they are seeing that apply now button, right?
Yes.
Okay. So again and again we are getting questions about scholarship code. How for how much time it will be valid? Ma'am, I have already replied for that. Okay, so if you have any questions, please put in the chat box. I will be reading that, and you can also put in the Q&A section. So certificates won't be mailed to you. It will be reflecting on your dashboard.
Yes, you can download it from your dashboard. It is not going to be mailed to you. And keep checking the dashboard. Whatever 3G has to offer new opportunities, we would put in there.
Okay. So what is the minimum requirement for being a volunteer?
Anyone can be a volunteer, but if you want the e-certificate for being the volunteer, you should have 25 registrations.
Okay. Then how will the paid certificate of World Book of Record and participation certificate will benefit us? That is the next question.
After this, towards the end, we'll play the video and you can understand.
Okay.
In the website page itself, all the benefits are written.
Okay, ma'am. They are not understanding what is dashboard.
Dashboard is just the login page. After you log in, you reach a page. It's called dashboard.
Okay, if I get a scholarship, for how much time it will be valid? Again and again, same questions.
It would be valid for you while if you're selected, it would be valid for you.
Okay, so what if the registration is 0? Will I be getting the e-certificate?
You will get the participation e-certificate, but you will not get the volunteering e-certificate.
How can we do 25 registration? You have to share it to your friends to get 25 participants. Not able to register as a mail ID is already registered with World Book of Records. Okay, one participant is not able to register for the conference and because he has already used that mail for World Book of Records certificate.
Yeah, you can go to login and put forget password. You have already registered with us. That's why you're having the issue. Just log in. You already have an account with 3G.
Okay, so please tell about, oh my God.
Okay,
please tell about the letter of recommendation. That is one next question.
We have a number. Joel, what is the registration number for letter of recommendation?
For the letter of recommendation, they should have at least 250 registrations. Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, so the master is only for student. Okay, so can undergraduate also join for a master's program, psychology master's program? That is next question.
If you have graduated or is in third year, you can consider it.
Okay, then already I have registered and paid 500 for World Book of Record. Do I need to pay? Pay again?
No, you don't need to pay again.
Okay, so is there any age limit for a psychology course or advanced career coach program?
No, we are not having any age limit.
So is there any basic requirements required for joining advanced program? That is the next question.
For advanced program, there is nothing, but for the master's program, you have to have completed your UG.
Okay, can you repeat about the letter of recommendation?
Yeah, Joel, just repeat about the letter of recommendation.
Who have got 250 registrations will get the letter of recommendations mentioning that you have an a good experience in the marketing area of getting registrations from people. Okay, so how can you tell about advanced program? That is the next question. What is advanced program? They are asking about advanced program. Okay, ma'am went. So Joel, okay, ma'am, can you please, please tell about advanced program. Can you please explain about that?
Advanced program is a program where we'll be training you into becoming a futuristic career coach, and we are having two programs, Advanced and Mastery. After Advanced program, if you get selected to the Mastery, we'll also be giving you clients. You can go to the website and check out. We'll ensure that in 15 days, you are turned into a personal brand, and we give you your psychometric engine. Basically, anything for you to be a career coach, it's in the program. That's how we have designed it.
So how long is that giveaway valid? Okay, no, like can they go and tag now? That is what they are asking.
I remember, I forgot the date. Rejika, what was the date for the giveaway?
February 10th.
February 10th. Yes, guys, it's February 10th. We'll be announcing on Instagram itself.
Okay. So how to register for advanced program? Can you show that, ma'am?
Yeah.
One second.
I will just share the link one more time.
So do we have any link for downloading the certificate? They are asking for sending that link for downloading the certificates.
Through the dashboard. That is the only
dashboard.
way how you will get. Yeah.
So dashboard is a you can go to our website and you can enter your mail ID as well as password, right, ma'am?
Yes.
Yeah.
Log in your account.
So like if they are facing any difficulty to log in, please give forgot password.
Yeah.
Is 3G going to be offered any internships? Okay, is 3G going to offer any internships in the future?
Yes. Thanks.
Which is related to conference.
Yes, I have an internship which I totally forgot about, and I had to announce this. I am going to organize an internship. So we are looking for people who can work in education counseling. That is the main topic. If you're interested, you would be working with our psychometric assessments. We are launching few of the assessments to the market, and we want some students to work on the back end. If you're interested for it, what I'm going to do right now is share the WhatsApp link of the internship, and you can join the group. So this is for students who want to establish their career in education counseling. If you're interested to work in that, we'll be issuing a experience certificate from our side. So this would really help you in your career later on. Yes, I'll just share with you the link to join the group. So this internship.
I have a small correction to make. So since 250 number is a big number to get a letter of recommendation, we are keeping like 150 is the minimum registrations that you need to take, because a lot of people have crossed 180, 170 and all they have crossed. So who have not reached 250, we're not trying to avoid them. We will be giving them a letter of recommendations from 3G IRPS, so you don't have to worry. So 150 is the minimum registrations to get a letter of recommendation signed by our chairman Sai Cholail and also our CEO Irfan Aizat Cholail.
So can high school graduates join this UG program?
I have given the link, Anjali. If anyone wants to join for the internship, like always, it's a serious internship. If you don't want to do work, you better not join. If you want to seriously do something to help for your career, then you can join. Okay, this is the WhatsApp group. I'll be sharing in the details later on. You can join and keep.
Okay, ma'am.
Internship is valid for anyone, even if you just passed out of 12th standard. I really believe everyone is capable of learning and doing things in life. So if you are a PhD student, if you're PG, doesn't matter, you can all join the internships.
Okay. So ma'am, we have multiple requests for, can you please show about the advanced program? They are asking how to apply for that and what all things they can expect from the same.
Yeah, sure. If you want to apply for the advanced program, now being someone who's coming from the psychology background, this would be very interesting for you, as you can earn additional income by also being a career coach. This is what you should remember. For being a psychologist and establishing, it might take you a while. So being a career coach, it's a little bit more easier and people would accept you faster. So if that is what you want to do and try out, maybe explore, understand what else the world has to offer, this is your program. You have to go to this link, go to register now. You will get a discount code. It's not for me. You use 3G IPC 2021 and you will be getting a discount. All the details regarding what you will get a psychometric engine, you will get a videos, website, blogs, everything is provided by 3G. It's a full-on practical program. And we also give them an opportunity to speak in our conferences. Many people who was in this conference were a part of our advanced program, and that is how we train them enough to make them come and speak to all of you guys.
Okay, ma'am. So they are asking about the code. Okay, I will just type it in the chat box. Scholarship code 3G IPC 2021. And they're asking, okay, how different?
Oh
Okay.
yeah, so that question is, how different are you from what Prateek Bhargava offers? Shalini, Prateek sir is actually one of our friends as well, and I'll get in touch with you in person to tell you something like that. But yeah, Shalini, I'll get in touch with you in person. You can text me in WhatsApp. I'll just share my WhatsApp number here. Please do text me in WhatsApp.
Okay, so like no, what plan? Okay, what platform masters program will be held? That is the next question.
Master's program will be online for 2 years, but we'll be having an offline trip where we'll go to some posh location like a mountain or Goa or somewhere, and you will be learning from there. You'll have workshop talks. That is the time for you to socialize, but other than that, it's an online program.
Okay. So ma'am, what is the total fees for advanced program?
Total fee is 20,000 rupees, but you are getting an offer for 18,000 if you use our code 3G IPC 2021. I think by now the code would be in your head, right? How much time?
Yeah. So can you tell the courses for undergraduates?
3G Advanced Program is the course which you can consider if you're an undergraduate.
Okay, ma'am. I think you missed one number. There are only 9 numbers in your phone number. Could you please reshare it? Okay, I request my technical team to please post the technical support number so that okay, any queries you have about master's program, any queries you have about advanced program, for everything you can contact our technical support number. Okay, so we'll be.
I think we are good to go.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. So, like any other queries, please, don't leave our WhatsApp group. Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much for spending time with us, our young, beautiful CEO. And if you want to connect with her on Instagram, okay, go to her, go and connect with her Instagram ID, Irfana Isacholail. So, thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much for joining us. And thank you so much for giving opportunity to all youngsters in this conference. Thank you. Yeah. So guys, yeah, if you have any questions, further questions, it will be addressed. Okay, it will be you can always ask our admins in the WhatsApp group, and you can we will be providing our support number as well. So please, technical team, please provide the support number. So if you have any queries about any of these programs or certificates, you can ask our say you can contact our technical team. So with that, okay, we are moving ahead with our vote of thanks. So I would like to invite our national head leader, Nishi Priya, who's an energetic student and an ambitious soul, currently pursuing her bachelor's in psychology. She is also our head national leader and hardworking and determined youth, and had presented 3 papers at national and international conference. She is also a member of Junior Council and head of Speakers Club. Warm welcome, Nishi.
Thank you, Anjali. Hey, everyone. So before we begin, if you really like Big Boss, just type a yay in the comment section. And if you're a Carrie Minati fan, type a nay. So that I know that people, you all are listening. Just type a yay if you like Big Boss. And if you don't, just type a nay.
Also, with that, I would like to invite our next head national leader, Joel Christy Rafi. These two are the gems of this conference, I have to say. And who is the head national leader of 3G School of Psychology. He is one of top 52 contingent of the NSS Tamil Nadu Republic Parade 2020, Vice President of Rotary Club of Madras School of Social Work, and also been awarded the Rajya Puraskar in Scouts and Guides. And he's also a virtual MC. So warm welcome, Joel.
Thank you, Anjali. Thank you so much for giving an intro. It was nice. So yeah, I guess we have come to our end of the 3rd day of our International Psychology Conference. And I feel very proud to say that it's an international psychology conference because a lot of people across the world have registered. And now it's still booming. Like we have crossed 15,000 registrations by the end of this day. And it's a very big thing that's happening, and it won't be possible without the help and your efforts of being a participant in the first place, then being a volunteer and sharing it, making registrations, and also our state leaders, our college leaders have given their best efforts. And they would ask me, like every time they would text me saying, hey Joel, is there any work to do, or is there anything to help you out with the post or something? I will say, thank you so much. No, let's focus on the registrations. Like other team for the posters and for the everything which has been regarding the graphic, how we are posting the banners that we are having. Like everything has been done and planned by Soham and Reshika. Soham is a graphic designer for Threes Pro Psychology, and Reshika, creative director. And yeah, it's been an honor that we guys had a lot of support from our national leaders as well. So I would like to thank Reshika. I would like to introduce her for a bit, like to talk about something related to introduce Reshika over here. So Reshika, fantastic. That's Reshika in a word. She's currently in her final year of Bachelor's in Psychology. She has presented in 3 national conferences and she just got selected today for a 4th research paper presentation as well. This cool and funny teen can crack you up with her lame ass jokes right at the moment. But beware, because when you think that about the joke again, you'd be wondering who is more stupid, she for coming up with an utterly senseless yet witty remark, or you for laughing at it like hell. Don't miss to watch out for philosophical one-liners, cosmological arguments, and all things in between. Defining this dynamic damsel is definitely a difficult task. Yep, she loves iterations, but that's something about her that we can count on. Her love for Iron Man and the Marvel Cinematic Universe, now that's what we call true love. And next, I would like to introduce, Soham, a graphic designer of the team. His laptop probably hates him, a mechanical engineer student, creating superb designs and videos. Hustling in his teens, he is an AI enthusiast with a deep knowledge on machine learning, of course, Adobe Suite, a wannabe entrepreneur and an advisor at all times. The geeky graphic guy is also a photographer and is featured on Samsung's official Instagram page. So these two guys have been, the backbone of Threes Pro Psychology, setting its standards so high. Like people are wondering, oh my God, you had just attended the Threes Pro Psychology. So these two wonderful gems have been supporting with the content and all the posts and all the banners that we have put in and all the way we are supporting our state leaders, national leaders certificates, even the volunteer certificates is designed by these amazing masterminds. And yeah, so Reshika and Soham, take your things. Yeah. Go ahead,
I
guys.
add something. Lot of times what happens in our life is we have a lot of people who actually come and talk to you and they don't actually care that what way you're going. They don't care about you. We all have friends like that in our life. But there are only limited people in our life who could really slap the truth on your face. And Joel is one of them. I am so honored to work with such a honest and somebody who values honesty and integrity a lot. He would come to you and if you've done a very, mad job, he'll come and Nishi, what are you doing? You're just doing shit. Please don't do it. He'll tell that truth on your face, and he's the only one person who has not treated me like a kid in the whole conference. So he's that one person who would respect your boundaries. At the same time, he makes sure that you're on the right track. So thank you, Joel. It was a really an honor for me to work under you. And right now I'm standing and talking. It's because of the opportunity that he gave to me. So thank you so much, Joel. And talking about Reshika, Reshika is somebody whom I really look up to. She's my inspiration. She wrote mail to Sadhguru, Chetan Bhagat, and people like that. They replied back. So her work ethic is something that makes me believe that if you really work hard, you can overcome anything in life. And Soham is just my brother. He roasts me a lot. Soham's favorite time is calling me up and cracking stupid jokes. But at the same time, he is a last minute tailor. I'll go to him and I'll beg him that Soham, this is the last moment emergency. Please create a poster, and he'll do that. And he'll do a really amazing job. The Instagram of 3G is so live because of Soham. So all credit goes to him. And coming back, our MC Anjali, who took up the initiative, and she did a great job at the last moment. It wouldn't have been possible without you, Anjali, your team, your coordination, also the people who've been working backhand, the MC, the support team. And how can we forget Deepak Joel? He was the one person who made this internship possible.
I was about to call him.
Yes, this psychology conference became a successful one because of Deepak. He launched the internship single-handedly. He invited a lot of people, lot of speakers came, and we got so much knowledge. We had sessions every day, and he managed everything so seamlessly. And then there was one person, a very important person, Harini. She's the sunflower of 3G. She's so positive. She's so bubbly. She can fill your life with so much happiness. And the very, very, very important person, Irfana. Like, she's our CEO, and she's somebody who would give opportunity to young people. That is something which nobody does. And there have been times that I've called Irfana and I've cried that Irfana, people are treating me like a kid, and I've been sidelined at work. I don't know how to react and how to take up. But she believed in me, and she said that, age is just a number. for listening to her, I really felt that, because she has proven it. She has proven that age is just a number. A lot of people tell the fact, but she has proven it, and it was such an amazing, amazing opportunity to work with her. She's truly the Elon Musk of 3G, giving so much opportunities. Welcome, Irfana. Welcome.
Yes, the captain of the ship. We would definitely love to hear from you. How was your, everyone is young as just 17 years, 19 years, and all. So, how was your experience working with them? We would definitely love to hear from our CEO, young, beautiful CEO, ma'am. Please.
Thanks, Anjali, for always putting me out of the room. So I am going to take this moment to really appreciate from the bottom of my heart. So Nishi asked me this question a while ago, right? She asked me this, Irfana, did you believe in us? And Nishi, this is your answer. If I didn't believe in you, we wouldn't be sitting here right now. And I have to mention everyone, not just the people in this frame, but there were a lot of people who has done so much to make this conference happen, and we really have to appreciate. There are a lot of small efforts, people from different states, from different colleges, and I'm genuinely thanking you for believing in 3G. How we are so new, and we are not established, people don't know who we are, and we just came out of somewhere, and you just believe that, okay, these people could do something, and we can stand with all of them, and that would benefit us. So thanks to all the other people who's not on this frame, who has done their small little parts. All of the volunteers, can you believe we had around 3,000 volunteers working for this conference? And this is only possible because of COVID-19. I always say this to most of the people, most of the team members that I'm having, because we got opportunity, including me, because of COVID-19 and work from home, right? Otherwise, I don't think no one cares even about me because of how young we are. It's not about the age, but because of the lack of experience. Now, since online has come up, we are able to come and establish such a thing together. This all proves to all of the people that is listening that we have opportunity, you have opportunity, people like us are there to give you. And I'll just take a moment to talk about all of the people in this frame, because they have taken a big role. And I definitely have to start with Joel, because I connected with Joel after a story reply. Now, this is exactly like how I connected with Joel. Joel replied to my story. Okay, this is how new age friendships start. Joel replied to my story, and I realized, okay, I have to do something with Joel. And then we came up with the conference. And at that time, I don't know what Joel was thinking or if he even thought this would work out, but Joel was completely up for something like that. Then we began from there. I did tell Joel that time there would be a day when we will establish and when we'll do. I don't even know if he believed that time, but with Joel, he took a lot of leadership responsibilities in planning, in designing, in working with students. I'm pretty sure along the way he faced several challenges. Sometimes he did tell me, but I don't think most of the time he just ignored and dealt with it. So he was able to work with so many of the youngsters that is out there, right? He took the role of head national leader. Now, he was the one who was training the students, planning, designing, and he even built the team that is here. It was him and Nishi actually who built the team. So he took a very, very important role because he was the second person that I had connected with regarding the conference. If he was not there, I am telling you, this wouldn't have happened. So you all probably should thank him. Out of he came from somewhere. And yes, thank you, Nishi and Anjali.
Enough of buttering, Irfana. Thank you so much.
Like as if I get something. So yes, that is what Joel has done. And Nishi, if I'm being honest, I see my younger self in Nishi. She is 18 and I see someone like me coming up with her. And so she was also, I connected with her from an internship, and then I have to say, I never met any of these people. Nishi seen me from somewhere, but other than that, we never seen each other. Okay, this is virtual friendships that you're seeing here. And Nishi also took a very serious role. I don't think without Nishi, this would have been possible. She stood by me for so many different responsibilities, not just the conference, but there were things where we planned and we did together. And she brought in a lot of strategies and different ideas where I could improve. I was not able to understand what is the mindset of students. So Nishi helped me to understand that, okay, Irfana, this is how children are. This is what we should do. She was, she was my consultant. That is what she has done. And she also took a very, very important role. Then came in, Deepak. Deepak came from Joel. I think they're best friends. So whenever I see Deepak, I'm like, this boy is so smart. Every time the work that has to do with smartness, I give for Deepak, because Deepak is the one who is, I felt like, the most knowledgeable. He has also taken several responsibilities, and he ran the internship. I am so proud of him, because I don't remember him coming and telling and asking me for help. Most of the time, he never does. He kind of does the thing on his own. He solves problems of his own. I want someone like him, to work in our team. Nothing to worry. You give Deepak and Deepak will solve it. Life is good. So that is what Deepak has done. He was many places he was silent, but I feel like he has taken a lot of work, which I didn't even notice. But right now, I'm telling that Deepak has done so much, big leadership roles in this, coming up with this conference, running with students. So yes, thank you.
Assignments also, planning on the
That
assignments.
is what.
Like Deepak had done an amazing job, and anybody would have done an internship program by just asking the Google Forms and sending them through mail. But he did an amazing smart move of organizing this whole internship program in a Google Classroom itself. So it was very easy. Like anytime we'll be having a lot of sessions daily. Like we'll be, after coming to college, coming back from college, we'll be there without sleeping. After our lunch, we'll be very sleepy. But that time itself, Deepak and I will be there to give them support, and new people will be cropping up in a Zoom meeting. I'll be asking like, where is the link? Where is the link? So I'll be telling the PC Deepak will be assisting you and adding you in the Google Classroom. And yeah, we like it was an amazing thing. Like initially when we started off this, it was hard, but after the end of the internship program, we felt a sense of pride of bringing an amazing teachers of the internship program, like experts, and also we gave an amazing interactive sessions. And I don't know why Deepak is still quiet, without unmuting himself. And
Actually, there's a comment, Joel, from
Yeah,
Dr.
thanks.
She
yes,
said Deepak is so humble. That is what, but that's why he's not unmuting. Deepak
oh
is
my
We are also
God.
having
Yeah,
comments. Deepak
just
was also there for like when volunteers wanted him. So there are a lot of fans for Deepak. We would definitely love to hear from you, Deepak.
so yeah, thanks a lot for the team, and I I don't know what to talk. Actually, I had a team to work with me for the internship. So I would like to thank Magdalene, Monica, Gugan, and they helped me with assignments. And I have to thank Irfana, Joel, and all my state leaders, and especially Soham bro. Like after every session, I would be asking him to provide a certificate, and he is like even more humble than me. So like I have to thank all of you, like my state leaders. Sometime if I am facing any online issues, like any connectivity issues, my state leaders, Prashansa, Emanshi, Garvita, and don't blame me if I miss any names. So I had a lot of people who helped me. So thank you everyone. Thanks Irfana for choosing me, and thanks everyone. Thank you a lot.
Thank you. I will just talk, Anjali, about everyone also. So Joel, as usual, hijacked my spotlight. No joking. So now I go to Soham, and I, from the moment I seen Soham, I saw that he was having a lot of potential, and I remember him actually not knowing much when I met him. Then with time, he became so good and he became really professional. I was able to see such drastic changes that the people who had 4 or 5 years experience in graphic designing would have. Soham reached up to that level in a month. So I think I really helped him also, because when there were, and I have to say sorry to Soham, because there are multiple times when I annoyed him with 100,000 changes. So sorry about that. But Soham is the person who has designed all of the creatives for this conference, and I am really impressed by what he has done, because he came from somewhere where he didn't know, and then he just skyrocketed. He went somewhere else to become a professional designer. So thank you, Soham. You are the person who made our event so colorful, including the backdrop is designed by Soham. So yes, Soham is the graphic design. If you want to learn designing, you better connect with Soham. And now I'll move on to Reshika. Reshika came as a came as a national leader, I think, right, Joel? She came as a national
Yes,
leader,
yes.
and I realized she knows how to write content. So I have this very I really like all the people who's into creative things, because I feel like no one is utilizing their potential, right? They have so much skill, and this it's just lying there. And I realized Reshika's skill needs to be there out in the program, because she has what it takes. I read few of her personal writings, I think. Then I wanted to give her different opportunities, and then I realized, okay, she's good at it, let's give her our social media, our content, everything. And then we bombarded Rishika with all the content works, and I don't know how she handled it. And I didn't go to ask also, because I knew that this would be her opportunity to level up, right? This, whatever she's learning from 3G, I was very sure this would help her for her entire career. Now she might not know that yet, but it will. And Rishika was the person who was targeting on bringing in top level speakers. So I told Reshika, I don't know how you do this, you have to bring them. This is exactly how I told Reshika. And I remember a couple of times where she was a little bit I think not sad, but just feeling rejected and feeling like it seems impossible. But with time, she still overcame. And I think we both worked together, we pushed each other, and she was able to, she was the one who was bringing, she talked with literally most of the top speakers. She knew. Now I believe that she can connect with anyone across the world. She can pretty much, contact Barack Obama and he would respond to Reshika. So she has this ultimate content writing skills. If you are a person who's good at that, you have to connect with Reshika, because it's very much important, like in organization like us. So Reshika has taken up very serious role, and as usual, I kept on pushing her towards bringing top level people. I don't know how she handled all the pressure that I give, but she took it and she used her skills, and she bought the big speakers. Now I think Reshika is 19, if I'm right. Can you believe a 19-year-old is sitting behind a male and social media and connecting with top people? She is the one who called, arranged meeting with them. It was her. It was not even me. It was not even our professional team. It was Reshika. So this is what Reshika has done. And I don't think a lot of things would have happened in the conference without Reshika's support. So thank you, Reshika. You had a very serious role. And now I'll move to Disha. The overall speakers, when getting speakers, I think I connected with Disha and I told, you have to bring the speakers for the conference. I remember saying exactly this to Disha, and Disha just out of nowhere said yes also. She was not worried. She was not double thinking, nothing. She said yes. She said, Irfana, I'll do whatever is there. I have this connection. I'll connect with my mom. And after that, I think I connected with Disha 3 weeks or 4 weeks later when she bought the people. I didn't have to do anything for Disha. She took the responsibility. She did. She talked to Joel. She talked to Nishi. I don't know what happened, but she bought all the people. So she took a very serious role of connecting with top level psychologists and bringing them on board. Disha was one of the person who joined the team towards the end, but she caught up really fast. And we all had relation from a very long time, but Disha caught up really fast. And I am so impressed all the time by Disha, because she says yes to whatever you ask her. So I am looking for people like Disha, so she'll do all the work. And she really proved in bringing the top level speakers. Now, thank you, Disha. And I'll also talk about Anjali, because I think if I start to praise Anjali, this might be my 80th time or something that I'm telling Anjali has done something. Anjali has run this whole conference with her leadership on her own. And this is the first time she's been doing something like this. I really believe in Anjali, and it has nothing to do with this conference or anything. I see so much potential in her. She came as a volunteer, I think, from one of our events, and then she rose up to this level that she's heading a conference. She does the training, she trains the MCs, she trains the technical team, she handles any consequences that come. She takes the leadership, ownership of everything that we give her. So I'm really impressed by Anjali, and I see her reaching. I don't know if it's with 3G, I don't know if it's with somewhere else, but anyhow, Anjali has a lot of potential where she'll be reaching on the top. So thank you, Anjali, for just helping me and Joel and Nishi in the last minute.
Thank
With
you so
that
much
being said,
for trusting me and giving that responsibility. And thank you so much. You are giving responsibility for all the youngsters from the day one. Like, I think I joined in Delhi conference as AMC. So from there, 3G is giving me opportunities. Thank you so much for that. I'm always indebted for that. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you also to everyone. I think my long speech about everyone is over. So yes, thank you. I think with that being said, Anjali, what is our next? People might be getting.
Like I will be introducing, I will be talking about our state leaders who have
Before
taken an
that, I want to
amazing.
add one thing. Okay, so thank you so much, the entire team. You people were so cooperative. Whatever help I asked, these national leaders, they were there to help me out. And Reshika, she's the one who beautifully done that scripting for all the speakers. And Disha is the one who beautifully created that posters. Deepak, Soham, everyone was there to help me. And Nishi and Joel, I have to specifically mention. Even if it is night or morning, Anjali, what you want? What you want? Anything help? Any help is required. I am there. I am there. Don't worry. Be cool. Be cool. And Irfana ma'am, she's like, okay, do whatever you want. You take anything. Okay, we believe in you. You take whatever you want. You do whatever resource you want. You ask us. We are there to help you out. So that level of comfort was given by this team. That is the reason I was able to handle this. Thank you so much, team. Thank you so much. Now over to Joel for the further proceedings. And I would request our technical team to display the state leaders posters so that Joel can read out that, and after that we'll be taking a screenshot of state leaders. So I have already taken screenshot of our national leaders. If you want, we can post. We can give a post again. Gurfana ma'am is good at posting. We will take a screenshot of national leaders. Then we will move on to the state leaders.
If
Yes,
you want
ma'am.
to give us a post.
Why I'm only giving, like, you copy what I do, is it?
Yeah.
Yes. Sure.
Oh, okay. Wait, let me think.
Deepak, please switch on your video.
Deepak is shy. Where is Harini? Harini, turn on a video. Why
Yes,
are
where
they
is
being
Harini, where is Harini?
Is other people, Riddhi? Where are you guys?
Rini has turned on a video, but
Yes,
Yeah,
Harini.
Harini is there. Harini.
Nice.
So,
Uh,
Irfana ma'am, can you
It's
please give
saying that
a
host has stopped my video.
is it? Yeah, now?
So
Yeah, it's
Deepak,
Yeah,
who did that to you?
okay,
Joel.
not me. Okay, yeah, no, it's
Okay, here is my pose. Okay, Harini is gone. This is my pose. Do this.
Good. Okay, everyone please put this
Oh,
pose.
this is the cool thing emoji.
Okay, which
oh,
hand?
like
Left
this,
or right?
yeah. Or no, like this, I guess.
It's like
Okay.
this, right? People do in Kerala.
Okay.
Okay, we will do that pose and we will take a screenshot. Yay!
Anjali, it's not a phone call.
Okay, what is it?
Okay.
I think technical team, please take a screenshot of this. Okay, thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much, team. Yeah. So now we will move on to this, next set of leaders, our state leaders.
So before presenting, I would like to talk something about our state leaders.
Sure.
So like our project, when we, in our team, when national leaders and or CEO Irfana, when we were planning about how to make this event a big success, like how to get a lot of participants for this. We are giving a lot of benefits and free, amazing sessions. We are focusing on mainly quality than quantity. So when we are trying to plan out how it can be done, so we were like splitting about, okay, let's take over India. Let's split it into various states and give them state leaders, and the state leaders will have the college leaders, and college leaders will have the volunteers. So much of an amazing structure we were trying to build out. It's not yet completed because it's a whole India. So we're trying to build it further based on our 3G Psychology Club and all. So we have our amazing state leaders and who have been working with us, and they have been going through and motivating their teams of college leaders in their states, and they very much know about what are all important colleges that they've been handling in their own state, and they gave a lot of effort and teamwork, and they are, without them knowing itself, they try to inculcate leadership skills, like calling people, talking to them, and finalizing what they, in that small group, how much value they can create on by making the content, mailing things, and calling people and saying that you did an amazing job. It's not about giving the work. It's not about Irfana gave me the work, like, okay, make this international psychology conference. I didn't do it like okay, let's do this physically, let's have people, let's have internships, let's give them like this. No, it went with the flow. an amazing flow where we all, the national leaders, state leaders, even the volunteers even connected with us saying that, okay, we did something great. Instead of, okay, we thought about something, we physically made it, that's all. No, nothing like that. We created an amazing structure that connects with us about, something beyond the purpose, sticking on to the purpose in life of creating something great. And Irfana, like I would say that in a company, if we join as an intern, we'll be getting like, okay, you have this work, do this data handling, and okay, 1 month you work so hard and you just leave. But this time she gave us an amazing opportunity in taking decisions. We were able to give Irfana some ideas like, Irfan, if you do like this, it'll be great. And Irfana gave us, she took a back step from, okay, youth, let's take it over. Let the youth take over and let's see what it's going to bring out. So we were able to do justice to what Irfana expected from us. And we are so thankful in giving us an opportunity and also the deciding factor of using the resources that 3G, the biggest, 3G was able to give a lot of resources for us. Like, okay, take the certificates, do that, do this. These are the benefits. Amazing thing that happened, like, is giving something to work on, like leadership skill. Irfan has given us an amazing opportunity and all. So yeah, so talking about state leaders, I would like to Anjali present the screen. I would like to read out our amazing state leaders who have been working with us, and they have taken an amazing serious leadership skills in building their own team, like Garvita Mishra, Sasi Priya, Anshika Chatni. Anshika Chatni, I would like to say, like, she's done a pretty amazing job with related to the work back end works about how to form the associations, how to form the sponsors. She's done a pretty good job in and also she immediately when internship started, she came to me and asked, Joel, if we do something, if we club with them, it'll be really great opportunity. And she took those amazing efforts in making something a true experience. And thank you, Anshika, for your help and support. And for Richu Murukesh, state leader, and thank you for your support as well. And Richu, I guess somebody who texted like, go for president, something like that in the chat box. Next slide, please. And Prashansa has done an amazing job. And in the Instagram page, you can see her reels is the trending reels, like amazing. It created a lot of impact among students about, okay, they can also make a video which looks so fun. It's not like a normal video if we keep in front of a camera and do some scripting. She has an amazing talent of acting, and she did a pretty good job. And Renuka Simos had an amazing also puts a lot of efforts in doing with helping us with the emceeing part. And Nikita Bhavani also took a lot of efforts. And Himanshi Mehta, we've been constantly supporting every day and night. Even Deepak used to say that she's taken amazing efforts in building the team, and also giving the team the roles and responsibilities how to make it a successful state of connecting with all the colleges in their own state. So thank you, Himanshi. Moving on to the next slide, please. So in Magdalene has been always a support, and Share has been connecting with international colleges, going beyond the limits. So Shera has done an amazing job, and Akash Pant has taken an amazing interest in helping and making posters with his own ideas, and it was really great, and I appreciate his efforts. And also Kushi Jain has taken serious efforts, and Nishi would have always been reporting and telling me that Kushi has done a really amazing job in daily coming back and talking to Nishi, like these are the colleges that she has updated, and it's an amazing thing, guys. Okay, next slide, please. And Atri Chakrabarti also, asked me like, Joel, when is the agenda ready? Send me the agenda first. I'll be like, okay, Atri, you will be the first one to get the agenda and all. So yeah, you guys did an amazing work. Amina Begum also put a lot of efforts in bringing the registrations. Priyadarshini has been a part of our MC team also. She's taken a lot of efforts in, and we were able to give them first opportunity to be an amazing MC. And I guess in future, they'll be taking more events like this and building their profile in an amazing way. Next slide. Next is Ishita. Ishita is like an extreme perfectionist. She tries to do the job in an amazing manner. And she's also concerned about how the spelling mistake is there in the certificate and all. Yeah, thank you, Ishita, for being part with us. Thanks a lot. And Lakshmi Priya, same thing. And Lakshmi Priya did an amazing job in bringing the registrations and also following up with me. And then Disha Sharma, Disha, I would like to say that she has an amazing speed. That means whatever, like just like Irfana said, whatever it's been told, She does it immediately without even a second thought. She does it immediately. On today also, she was doing a lot of things like certificate updation. There was a spelling mistake, she changed it. And regarding the PowerPoint, there's something, some problem over there. That time she managed technical team also. So much of response and energy that Disha had all through the conference, and it was really amazing and inspiring too. That you've got an amazing speed in whatever you're doing. Next. Next, I would like to say Fazilat. Fazilat is an amazing, energetic person over here and took an amazing initiative of, she was the state leader of Tamil Nadu, and in Tamil Nadu, she created an amazing structure over there and made people to make registrations and also pass information to everybody. She was the amazing state leader, and then she took a lot of roles and responsibilities, like she came into her research. She was also part of her curriculum, artificial intelligence integrated to psychology, curriculum designing team. She's also part of that, and she was like immediately completing all the tasks that we're giving, and she's just upgrading herself within a few days. So it's Faisal, you did an amazing job, and also as an MC, just happy. I was happy seeing you like energetic way, and so it's happy to have you here, Faisal, as state leader. And Agneya did amazing work. She was state leader of Kerala, so I gave her a database of the colleges, and also she took the efforts in finding the phone numbers of their HODs where it was not even mentioned in their website. So I'm very lucky to have Agneya in my Kerala state leader team, and it's a very pleasure to work with you, Agneya. So looking forward to do some projects soon. And Hasita Avuturi, you did an amazing work, and thank you for being a part and taking efforts seriously. Thanks a lot. Next. Yeah, I guess we are done for the state leaders. I've done my justice in talking about all the amazing efforts and help that you guys did. An amazing kudos to you all.
Joel, I'd like to
Joel,
add something. If you don't mind, I would like to personally thank Riddhi and Nausheen. Their names have been not mentioned here, but they have done an amazing job. So the
yes,
state leader of Rajasthan and Jammu and Kashmir was formed like later. But it was like we didn't find much people from Rajasthan. But when they started coming up, Riddhi came up and Nausheen came up, and they built a huge network. And when I see the conference, there's so many people from Rajasthan. First in the dashboard, there were like very less people. There were some 100. After Riddhi come up, she took up so much initiatives. She used to come and ask me that, Nishi, what's the task? Just give me some task. And Riddhi has done a fantabulous job. Now Sheen also, and the registration of Rajasthan just got boosted. So I personally congratulate all the state leaders. You have done a really, really amazing job. And I really like, I am in love with you guys. You guys are dope. Stay connected with us. We love to learn, grow together with you.
and
Thank you,
Joel,
thank
and
you. Yeah, Deepak,
and
you
I'd
can.
like to mention Akash Pant. His poster was missing. He was a very extremely talented guy. Actually, literally, I had no participants from Madhya Pradesh, and he did a great job. And he actually suggested us a lot of topics, and his poster is missing. That's a mistake. And Akash, if you are listening, you done a great job. So yeah.
Deepak, I saw his poster, so and I told like he gave a lot of
Okay. Okay.
support
Yeah.
in making. He made a lot of posters too with
Okay.
his
Okay.
own
Yeah.
design.
I think I would have missed. Yeah.
Yeah. Anything you have to add on, Deepak? Have I missed anything else?
No. No.
Please do talk. Please don't be so humble and all in front of a small crowd.
Okay.
Okay,
Do
Deepak
we
is
have
stuck.
our state leaders who are joined for this meeting? If so, we can take a screenshot of the same.
State leaders, please turn on your videos. Let's have a selfie. I don't know what to call that selfie or screenshot.
Yeah. We'll have a team pic with
I
our
would like to say it shows that host denied. Yeah, okay, I got
Yeah, we'll be allowing it.
You have to just remove us for now and keep them down. Because
No problem.
Zoom has a limit, yeah. So
So do we have all the state leaders? Well, please, I request all the state leaders to please switch on your video.
And I guess I left out Sri Lakshmi too. So Sri Lakshmi also did an amazing work. She's also state leader in Kerala. So she also did an amazing work in coordinating and forwarding. And she has been a lot of support in connecting with me and told that, okay, Joel, if we do like this, we can get some more participants from Kerala. So that's where Sri Lakshmi did an amazing work. So thank you, Sri Lakshmi, if you're here. Thanks a lot.
Okay, I think everyone is there. Okay, I request all the state leaders to please switch on your video so that we can have a selfie, not selfie, a team pic with our CEO. Ma'am, would you like to give any other post with the state leaders?
Okay, I'll give a different pose. Do this one.
Yay!
If they're having phone on one hand, then they can't do. Then you do the normal thing.
Okay.
MC
Victory,
Anjali,
for
your
victory.
video is
Joel,
off by
you are on the top. You will not be there.
MC Anjali. My video was turned off by the
Okay, hi
the-
Collins, this is for state leaders. Okay, please wait. Yeah, thank you.
it was off by the host. Can't put it on.
Fazlat, okay, 1 second. Okay, if you're not able to switch on your video, please tell me. I will just enable that. Fazlat, now are you able to? Okay, yeah, Fazlat is there. Okay, everyone, are you ready? I think everyone is there. All the state leaders are there. If you are having any
Actually,
trouble,
I am also not able to on my
Riddhi,
video.
okay, 1 second. Riddhi, okay.
Anjali,
I'm
this
not
is the
also able
first
to
time
on
I'm
my
seeing their
video.
faces.
Sorry?
You never see people's face in WhatsApp. Now we can see their face.
Yes.
I'm
Okay,
not
so
also able to on my video, please.
Collins, this is for state leaders, Collins. Please wait, Collins. Yeah. So can we have a team pick? Okay, technical team, please take a screenshot of the same. Okay, ma'am. Yay! I think they took the screenshot.
Inspired by Korean drama.
Okay, hold on, please, 1 or 2 minutes. Because we will get a good pick. All the state leaders, yeah, Irfana ma'am is giving the post. We will take the lead. Yay! Thank you all. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much. Okay, Joel. So
Yes. Now I would like to, one second, give me a second.
yeah.
Anjali, are we having photos with everyone right now? Is that what we are doing, like with MC?
No,
Yes,
yes. So, am I audible, Anjali?
yes, Joel, you're audible.
So I would like to thank MC team to take an amazing efforts, and a lot of people have got the first chance in 3G International Psychology Conference. So I'd like to call upon a list of people who have been supportive in the MC team. Like first, I'd like to thank Anjali, Disha, Riddhi, Reshika, Hajira, Jamuna, Mayuri, Faizalat, Srijata, Akshita, Yukta, Collins, yeah, Priya, Ishita, Charu, Farid, Larry, Litish, and Kishore. And mainly, I would like to thank Farid, Litish, and Kishore taking an amazing lead, and the technical team was so seamless. Like the way when the speaker said, that next slide, and all, they were so cooperative and amazing coordination, amazing people, guys. So, and all the things, technical difficulties that happened, the presenting on the screen, and also playing the videos, you guys did amazing work. So thank you so much, guys. So please turn on the videos and let's take a
Yes,
photo.
yes. So all the MCs, please come on video so that this is the time we all can meet together in the screen. Okay, Akshita, we are not able to see you. Could you please turn off your background? Okay, do we have all the MCs here?
Where's
Litish,
Collins is not there.
Collins is coming. Wait for a minute.
Okay.
Jumping at the start.
Collins did a great job over there, like African accent.
Hi, Collins.
Yes, Collins, yeah. Come on.
Sure. Okay, Kishore, please switch on your video.
Anjali, Collins is the top. Like, can you put him down?
Collins is there in the top.
Anjali, we have finished the limit. Take a photo and then we'll just switch up the people.
Sure.
Okay, sure. So, ma'am, would you like to give any post for our MC team?
Oh my God. Okay, do this.
Okay, we'll take the screenshot. Okay, so everyone can post during that time.
Hello, Anjali.
Yeah, Yukta. Okay, 1 second.
Okay.
If anyone is facing any difficulty in turning on your video, please let me know.
Am I?
Kishore, in the screen settings, you can disable the green screen, so it won't be like a glare.
Okay, do we have all the MCs?
Yeah, just a second, Joy.
Okay, I will just read out the names so that we won't miss anyone. And meanwhile, Kishore and Litish can help me out whether we have all the MCs out here.
Yeah. 1 minute, I will check it.
Okay, so Joel, Anjali, Disha, Riddhi, Reshika, Hajira. Hajira is there?
Hajira is not there.
Farid is there?
Jamuna,
Yeah,
Mayuri.
Farid is there.
Yes, Hajira is missing.
Okay, please call her. Jamuna, Mayuri, Fasilat, Srijita, Akshita, Yukta, Collins, Priya, Ishita, Charu, Farid, Lahari, Litish, Kishore.
1 minute, I will call Hajira.
Okay. So, no, guys, you can call out your friends. If anyone is missing, no, you can call them and please tell them to join the meeting soon.
Anjali, Fatima is there? Fatima is there.
Fatima either is in technical team.
Okay, fine.
Yukta, please start your video. Joel, please start your video. Yeah. So, Nivita, Akshita. Akshita, please start your video.
It's on actually.
We're not able to see you. Okay, Joel, are you able to see Akshita or Litish?
No, they are not here on the screen.
No.
But I have to swipe left and right to see them.
Okay.
Yeah, Anjali, Hajira is not attending the call.
No problem. Okay, so we will take a screenshot now. So
Yeah.
everyone, Akshita, we are not able to see you. Could you please switch off and turn on your video once again? Yeah, Rupana ma'am is also there. Ma'am, pose for MC team.
Reshika, what is that?
Okay, Akshita is also there. Akshita logged in from 2 devices, I think. Yeah. Okay, so please give this pose, okay, given by our CEO. Yeah. What is that, ma'am?
I was like that.
Okay, please give that pose. I will take a good screenshot of the same. Okay, everyone ready? Cheese. Say cheese. Okay, Litish and Kishore, you can also take one or two screenshots so it will look good.
Nishi is not doing the challenge. So sad.
Nishi, you are the state head national leader. You have to do. Even our CEO is doing. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for joining. So next, we can thank our technical team. Yeah, over to our head national leader, Joel. Thank you all.
Thank you, technical team, to give an amazing work on the presenting, and Litish, Kishore, and Farid, who did an amazing work. Like, they were really exceptional. And the lesson I learned is never to judge a book by its cover. And they were so exceptional in presenting themselves, and also the way they took it professionally. And even every sessions before, not from 3G, before any other session that I would attend, there like too much lag in there, there would be like technical difficulties and all. So this 3G conference went on to have its own standard. There's nothing like a decrease in the quality that we provided. And beyond the speakers, you guys made it in a smooth transition over the next speaker and a PowerPoint presentation, the music, the way you guys presented it and all. You guys did an amazing effort, guys. And also the attendees and participants only know that what we're seeing in the screen. But back end, what are the things that we are doing? The coordination, the WhatsApp messages, the groups are flooding. Like, there are some error that was there that we all logged out, and we were all there to support together, and we did an amazing work, guys. And you guys there to support us in a way that it stays to its mark. So hats off to you guys, and more success and more events to you. And God bless you all. Yeah, God bless you to all.
So I would like to read out the names: Mohammed Farid, Kishore Krishnan, Litish Brahmani, Mark Xavier, Anand Vinod, Ananya Vinod Gopal, Vishnu S, Shajia Sahal, Jamuna R, Najida Fatima, Naushin Aga, Chiranjeev Singh, Fazlat A, and Fatima Haidar.
Mark Winters and Naushin Aga, Ananya Venugopal, and all did an amazing work in the chat box, making them interactive, always sending the leaders connect messages and also feedback forms. And yeah, guys, you guys did an amazing work. And yeah, it's an honor to have you guys to be a part of the International Psychology Conference and make it as an amazing success. Yeah.
So I would request
Joel,
all
can I
the-
take a 2 minutes to thank my team?
Yes, Kishore, please do.
Yes, yes. So I also should thank the team members who worked with us, and it was very it was very short time we had for train them. We was training with the Zoom call, which is only 40 minutes. We don't have the paid version. We'll be having continuous Zoom links, and we was training them, and everyone done a very good job because for the past 3 days it was very amazing. And I especially thank Anjali for making me as the captain, and with Farid and Litish. I think we three done a justice for this. And I also thank two members especially for video sharing. One is Jamuna, and the next one is Litish, because they were both very proactive. Even though if there is any lag also, they was very proactive, and they was very quick enough to do that. And thank you so much for doing that. So, and you all made this conference policy. It's out of the world. Thank you so much, and thank you so much for the 3G team and Irfana ma'am. And I want to share the only one thing about her, because the first message I got from her, hey Kishore, please stop sharing the Leaders Connect. This was the first message I got from her in the chat box. I have started and I have kept it because this is the first word I got from her, and that was, I was thinking, I was saying that she can say some other thing, but she told that. And thank you so much, ma'am, for giving this opportunity. And thank you, my team, and thank you, Litish and Farid bro, for having for making this event very success. And thank you, Anjali Akka.
So thank you so much, my captains. I have to tell this. Okay, Kishore, Farid, and Litish, they have worked day and night, and within 2 days they have trained our new trainees, and they had done a beautiful job. It's all because of your training. So earlier I used to take part of I used to get confused. Okay, whether the technical team will work properly, will they be coordinating properly? But this time I haven't gone for any training. So that's because these three people, my pillars, I have to say, the captains of the ship, they have done a wonderful job, amazing job for training, and they have taken additional responsibilities. Kishore, Farid, and especially Litish, they have training, and all the 3 days he was working full time. He was available. Whenever I'm asking, okay, Litish, are you available? I am available. I am available. I will do anything you assign me. Okay, don't worry. And even Kishore and Litish, Kishore and Farid, they were there as my sole support. So thank you so much for that, and all the technical team members. I didn't get an opportunity to work with you all, but thank you so much for all the support you have given. So we will take a screenshot now of all the members. Then we will switch off the YouTube live, and we will continue. If you want to share any feedback, and we can continue. So all the participants, we will be ending. We have officially ended our conference. So if you want to leave, we can leave. So this is just an internal meeting. So we will be going. We can take the screenshot now. Yeah. So I request all the technical team members to please switch on the video. I think everyone is there. Yeah. So Irfana ma'am, one pose, ma'am.
Where is Vishnu? Vishnu is missing.
Ma'am, let it be easy, please. Not like this and this. We will be looking very funny if you do like this.
Okay, then just laugh, but with your teeth.
But with your teeth.
That's better, ma'am.
Okay, 1 minute. I want to check for all if it is there or not.
Sure, Litish. Yeah.
I would like to say one thing to Kishore. Olichu Mone conference.
Thank you, Joel. And even he's a very big leader. I was stunned about seeing his all the introduction, and no, I was very.
Thank you, buddy.
Joel is gonna be super jealous of you. He is Irfana's pet. He's gonna be so jealous.
What? Irfan will be like, who is he, Joel?
Okay,
like,
Yes, Vishnu is not there. He is not attending the call also, Anjali.
okay, no
Yes,
problem.
I was about to ask
Rest of
Vishnu.
the members
He's
are
not there.
there?
Yes, Anjali.
Okay, so because we are running out of time and it's too
Yes, sir.
late, yeah,
Yeah.
everyone is waiting. Yeah. So, like, no, Litish and Farid can also, like, no, Kishore can also take the screenshots. Okay, Irfan ma'am, one pause, please. So we can take the screenshot and we can end it soon. Yeah.
The pose is where you show your teeth and smile. So I think Farid is not following my rules.
Farid, please smile. Farid is having a beautiful smile. So he is afraid, okay, he will be getting so many fans after this conference. Maybe because of that.
So Farid is blushing.
Okay, so like Litish and Kishore, can you please help me with the screenshots?
Yes.
Mark is coming on the way.
Yeah. Okay.
Wait for a minute, Anjali. Mark is coming.
Sure.
Yeah.
What about Vishnu?
For Vishnu, is an offline. He is not attending the call also.
Okay, fine. Thank you so much. We are getting so many comments in the chat box. Okay, I just want to ask, okay, whom do you like the most? Just comment on the chat box. We will see who have like, you know, the huge.
You, Anjali. I love you.
Oh, thank you, Nishi. I want to know from the participants. Okay, Joel have a huge fan base here.
Litish.
Okay, okay, we'll see. Okay, Irfana ma'am. Oh, our beautiful.
Isita Manjati.
Manjati, Kerala's Manjati. Kudos to you all. Joel. Oh my God.
Kishore Krishnan. Oh my God. Let me put their names also.
Okay, Deepak and Nishi.
Joel.
Oh my God, Joel.
Anjali. I have an idea. Let's play a game called what's this? Who is more likely to? I'll be asking the questions, and the person who is more likely to do that, just type the answer in the comment section. So everybody up for this game? Who is more likely to? All right. The first question is, who will sing along the radio? Whom do you think will sing along the radio?
I think Anjali will.
Anjali.
Yeah.
Anjali.
Okay. Who will throw other people into a pool for fun? Who will throw other people into a pool for fun?
Deepak.
Yes.
Deepak.
Who's gonna get clapped by? Joel.
Okay. I guess we have to thank you, everyone.
I have a special guest. Okay.
Okay.
So can we add our leaders also here in the?
Sure. We definitely would love to have our leaders with our MC team. Sure. So we can just spotlight all the.
I have a guest who has come from somewhere.
Who's that?
Nobody famous. Okay.
Dr. Shahid? Oh my God.
Okay, who's pending? Okay, Nishi, yes. Okay, I'll just let him come on board. Give me a second.
Okay, sure. So MC technical team, please wait. Okay, Irfana ma'am will be joining soon. Okay, Mark has joined. Joel, oh my God, Joel, you have a huge fan base here.
Oh my God.
Veluru Ramesh, I have a fan. Veluru,
Even
thank
Sobi
you.
ma'am likes you.
Yes.
Hi, sir.
Very good evening, each one of you.
Oh my God, thank you so much, sir.
It is really a celebration moment for all of you. See, you made the history actually. I don't think a conference happened like this with a kind of a people. I don't think so. It's really, you all proved that, you can do beyond. I'm especially personally proud of it because we started this project. As you all knows that the tagline is build India to serve the world. So literally I'm proud of that. We have done this, without I don't know much all of you. You guys are I don't know how much Irfana involved in this. See, you done, you amazingly done. You are the history. See, you create this history. You can be proud of this. I don't think in India, anyway, even all the other projects, whether it is a entrepreneurship project which we have done, all others done, there is somewhere leadership from the young, the elders. Here, almost zero. You prove to everybody that you are awesome. And also, see, unlike, I don't think psychology, there is no much opportunity. Together, we are showing to the world, psychology is going to be the number one in terms of everything. The salary part also. If you really look, people doesn't understand that psychology, we are exiting from the fossil fuel to behavioral data economy. So future is all about psychology. All the algorithm, we all know that people doesn't know that artificial intelligence. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is the human psychology. So you have all the future in the world. So I personally congratulate each one of you. This is a proud moment to celebrate each one of you. Have done it. You can do that. Further again, together, let us go ahead. Let us transform India. Let us extend each one of India. We will ensure that in India, each one of us as an inventor and innovator. So we are going to do that. Thank you. Thank you. This is really a proud moment for all of you. So you made the history. Now you can proud of that. You can celebrate. You can go and boast about to the world. You have done it. So thank you very much.
So
Thank you,
ma'am introduced sir as the
Yes,
guest,
sir.
okay, but actually he's a host. He's the brain behind this huge mission, the founder of 3G, Dr. Shahid. We are so happy that you joined for our vote of thanks, and you came personally to thank us. Thank you so much, sir. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, you too. Yeah. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Nishi was telling something. Okay, can we go with the screenshots now? Think Irfana ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay, so is everyone there?
Yep.
Okay, Irfana ma'am also
Hey,
joined. Ma'am,
Litish, Mark
pause
is
for
there?
Marcus. I think Mark joined.
Yes, yes,
Can,
yes.
can we quickly take a screenshot and we will end the officially we will end the
Sure.
conference. Okay, ma'am. Yeah, pause, ma'am, please. Suddenly, pause.
A normal pose, because whatever else I'll show is so girly, and I like to see Joel do girly stuff, but then I'll do that some other time. Let's just
Okay.
We can do like this.
We like this, ma'am.
Okay. Cool.
Okay, I will quickly take a screenshot. Okay.
Not doing the pose.
Litish, you too, da. Take a screen.
Yeah.
Reshika. Oh, Reshika, how did you do that? Can you teach me after that?
Can we try the filters? That will be the best.
There is filters in Zoom.
Yeah, you can choose the virtual background or choose video filters there on option.
Yes, there is an
Add something cool over there.
Not
Yes.
Anjali, you need to learn all this. Oh,
Actually, I only we had a training session. I will tell that in detail after that. Okay. And for half an hour, Joel was trying
Heisenberg.
different versions. Yeah.
Deepak photo is very comedy.
Okay, so Litish, have you done with the screenshots?
Yeah, 1 minute I will take it.
Okay.
Keep a post, Farid, Anjali.
Jamuna, you can also give a pose.
Yeah. Jamuna, take a post. Yeah.
Have you taken both the screenshots, Litish? We have 2 pages.
Yeah, now only I take 1 page. Just wait for a minute.
Okay.
Sure.
Yeah,
Kishore Mas.
I'm going to next page.
Yeah.
Guys, keep a pose. Pavitra, keep a pose.
People are doing Rajini style and all.
Yeah, done.
Nice.
One last selfie. One last.
Last selfie like this.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, wait for a minute. I will send the post.
You can also pose. Okay, I will take a screenshot now. Yeah. Thank you.
Which post?
Any pose. Quick.
1 minute. I wait for a minute.
Wait,
I will also choose my video filter.
Yeah. Okay, please be ready. Ready. 1, 2, 3. Quick. Cheese. Thank you all. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So here we come to the end of third day, our 3G International Psychology Conference. It is officially ended, and so I request the host to please turn off the. Thank you so
Bye,
much.
ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye,
Okay,
Joel.
bye. I'm going to
Thank
leave.
you all.
I'm going to drive. Yes.
Sure. So those who want to leave, you can leave the meeting. This is only an internal meeting, so we will be sharing the feedbacks now. Yeah.
So it is